spending less on something can actually grow your finances. A lot of people want to be rich. When people talk to me, they say, JPaul, I want to be rich more than growing up in their career. So everybody in this world wants to be rich. Why? Because we want to live a comfortable life. We don't like having stressful situations where hindi wala tayong pangbayad and all of that. So what do you do to grow your finances even if wala ka pang extra income? Wala ka pang business or wala ka pang salary increase. It's very simple. You start spending less on things that are not a necessity. What do I mean? Last night, I was craving for potato chips. Mahilig ako sa potato chips. And I wanted to buy Lay's. And pagdating ko sa grocery, meron din silang promo. 2 for 250 pesos only. Sobrang mura naman because one Lay's is 150 pesos. And 250 for 2, that's sobrang sulit, diba? So, because sobrang talaga ako nakikrave. And talaga, I really wanted to buy it. But then I realized, like, may payad pa ako ng parking and sayang sa pera to. So what I did was, instead of buying one Lay's for myself, is naghanap ako ng Pinoy version. I bought Piatos and I bought V-Cut. And I bought one Piatos and two V-Cuts, and that was just about 80 pesos. Plus 50 pesos for parking. Sobra akong nakatipid compared to one Lay's and parking, and sobrang mas nakatipid. Another thing is that I have to go to coffee shops regularly. Why? Because I have meetings there, different with clients, people in the ministry, or just people that I need to talk to. So I spend a lot of time in coffee shops. So one time I was computing, sabi ko, lakas ng gas ko sa kape. And what I did was, instead of just stopping to going to coffee shops because I can't, so what I did was I went for a cheaper menu. Kunyari, instead of buying a 190 pesos frappuccino every day, when I go to coffee shops, I'll just buy an Americano or a brewed coffee, which is just 100 pesos. So 50 to 90 pesos kagad titipid ko. So imagine if I'm in a coffee shop every day, I would save about 50 to 90 pesos a day, and that's about 2,000, 1,500 to 2,000 a month. And instead of spending it on other things, I can just like save it for an emergency fund or invest it in mutual funds, savings, or investment stocks or insurance or whatever investment options you want. So, minsan, hindi mo kailangan dumami ang pera mo kagad, but you just have to manage your finances well. You see, if you just buy and buy and buy, magugulat ka lang, ubus na. It's not about the big purchases that destroy your savings. It's about the small, everyday purchases that destroy your financial fortress and cause financial stress for your life. In my workshop, September 27 at Canva, it's going to be how to overcome financial stress. I'll give you tips on how to improve your mindset, your financial habits, and how to grow your income. And it's gonna be fun. It's only 998 pesos, and it's gonna help a lot of people. So I'm inviting you to join there. Just register below, bit.ly/how to overcome financial stress workshop. It's sponsored by Canva, presented by Sketchpad workshops, and co-presented by Sun Life Philippines and Jollibee. So I'm gonna see you there. Invite people, and the best is yet to come. My name is JPaul Hernandez, and it's time to grow your finances. Thank you for watching. See you again.